In a world where cleanliness rhymes with peace of mind, there is a revolution that transforms the way we take care of our living space. Imagine a device that not only promises to make your carpets and upholstery spotless, but also deeply revitalizes them, giving them a second life. This device is none other than the BISSELL SpotClean HydroSteam, an innovative stain cleaner that pushes the boundaries of cleaning technology. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about its unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours today. This device is ideal for pet owners, families, or anyone looking for an effective and quick solution to clean stains and dirt on various surfaces. This device is aimed at those who value the cleanliness and well-being of their home while supporting a noble cause. At the heart of this technological marvel lies HydroSteam technology, a major advancement in the world of cleaning. Thanks to this technology, the BISSELL SpotClean HydroSteam removes stains more quickly and efficiently, providing an improved cleaning result of 50%. Sticky dirt, oily stains, and stubborn marks are now just a distant memory. The power of steam works in harmony with the triple-action cleaning system: spray, scrub, vacuum. This dynamic trio leaves behind unprecedented cleanliness, transforming your environment into a haven of peace. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The SpotClean HydroSteam also stands out for its quick drying upholstery fabrics in about 30 minutes using steam mode alone. This means that not only is your home clean, but it is ready to be lived in and enjoyed without a long wait. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from extremely satisfied customers. Convenience is guaranteed with two large separate tanks, one for clean water and the other for dirty water. These removable tanks simplify filling and emptying, making the use of the SpotClean as easy as 1, 2, 3. In addition, this cleaner is equipped with multiple tools designed to tackle all types of dirt, whether on carpets, upholstery, the interiors of cars, and much more. Weighing only 5.9 kilo and equipped with a power of 1000 W, the BISSELL SpotClean is the ideal companion for anyone looking for an effective cleaning solution without the hassle of bulky equipment. Its compact design and ease of transport make it perfect for quick interventions and deep cleaning wherever you are in your home. But what truly makes the BISSELL SpotClean special is its commitment to a better world. Every purchase helps support the BISSELL Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless animals. By choosing this steam cleaner, you are not just cleaning your home, you are participating in a noble cause, helping to provide a better future for animals in need. So, if you are looking for a cleaning solution that combines performance, ease of use, and a commitment to animal welfare, look no further. The BISSELL SpotClean is here to transform your cleaning routine and allow you to enjoy a cleaner and more welcoming home. Now let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, HydroSteam technology. Offers superior cleaning efficiency, eliminating stubborn stains and sticky dirt with 50% more performance. Advantage number 2, quick drying. Allows upholstery to dry in about 30 minutes, minimizing the wait time after cleaning. Advantage number 3, ease of use. Thanks to these two large separate tanks for clean and dirty water, filling and emptying are simplified, making the cleaning process more convenient. Advantage number 4, versatility. Delivered with various tools to effectively clean carpets, car interiors, upholstery, and more. Advantage number 5, portability. Its lightweight and compact design make it easy to transport and store. Advantage number 6, social commitment. Chakacha supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation and its mission to save homeless animals. Now let's recap the few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, wired power supply. It needs to be plugged in to operate, which can limit mobility or access to certain areas without a nearby power outlet. So don't wait any longer to discover how the BISSELL SpotClean HydroSteam can revolutionize your cleaning routine. Click on the link in the description to order at the best price, learn more about the product, and browse through the hundreds of customer reviews that attest to its unprecedented effectiveness. Your home and the homeless animals will thank you. And I thank you for your attention and hope to see you very soon.